So maybe you own a restaurant, you're looking to buy an additional location, or you're considering purchasing a restaurant. Getting financing for the restaurant business is definitely one of the most challenging, but there are a number of lenders out there. There's a number of different products that are available today specifically for restaurants. In this video, I'm going to share some of the products that are available and how you can get those. I'm going to make it really easy. So stay tuned. So first off, I just want to say shout out to you for owning a restaurant or considering owning a restaurant. When you own a restaurant, you're creating a really cool environment, a space for people in the local community to come to and eat, have a great time, and share that great time with someone else. So thank you for everything that you're doing in your local community. I think it's awesome. So first off, if you are looking to purchase a restaurant and you don't currently own one, getting financing to buy a restaurant if you don't currently own one is extremely difficult. There's not a lot of funding options out there. You're gonna have to utilize credit cards. There are some personal loan options that are available today that we can help you with, and I'll explain more about that at the end of this video, where you can probably get anywhere from about $25,000 to $50,000, max $100,000. You have to have really good credit and you have to have pre-existing income. So meaning like you have to work right now or have a source of income that's coming in order to get that. A lot of people looking to purchase a restaurant are gonna have to raise some money from friends and family, save some money, utilize personal credit cards, and maybe supplement some of that with a personal loan. Depending on certain situations, if you do have really good credit, there are some equipment lenders that are out there where we could potentially finance a majority of the equipment that you're looking to put in the kitchen and maybe the booths, tables, and chairs. So that is possible. You have to have really good credit, and the dollar amounts are going to be very limited just because restaurants are very high risk. If you currently own a restaurant and you're looking to purchase an additional location, there are a number of options that are available where you can leverage your current location to buy another location. Or if you currently own a restaurant and you are looking to renovate, hire additional staff, do some marketing, expand, add an outdoor patio, put a bar in, things like that. There are a number of different options that are available, but what's really important is that you utilize the right lender for those options. So if you need to update equipment, then hands down, you want to be looking at equipment financing that will specifically finance that individual or multiple pieces of equipment in your restaurant. Equipment financing gives you nice 2 to 5 year repayment terms. The rates are pretty low because they're secured and collateralized by that piece of equipment. Even if you've challenged your credit in growing your restaurant business, which we completely understand, there are some equipment finance lenders that will work with restaurant owners that have challenged credit and finance that piece of equipment. And there's been a few changes recently where the process has become streamlined and it's really easy. We can get that equipment financed in like 48 hours. It used to take about 15 to 30 days to get equipment finance. So this is a major, major change and something that you should really consider. Number 2, small business loans. If you're looking to maybe hire some additional staff, do some renovations or updates that aren't actual equipment, like maybe change the paint or the decor or add an outdoor patio, then you may want to consider a small business loan. What's great about small business loans are there options that are available for restaurants that are 12 and 24 months. It gives you a long period of time to take the financing, do the renovations, drive sales in, and then get that loan repaid. The third option is an unsecured business line of credit. There's some really great options that are available today where you don't need real estate collateral or equipment collateral, and you can get a line of credit for your business or for your restaurant. What's really great having a line of credit on hand is if you want to do like a little marketing and test something out, you can pull and use your line. If you deal with a slow period, you can use the line, repay it, be paid off, and get back to business. If you got an opportunity to buy a bunch of liquor at a discount or food at a discount, if cash flow is a little tight, you have a line available. You get the point. Having a line of credit on hand is really great, but really up until recently, there weren't revolving lines of credit that were available unless you utilize big pieces of collateral. So these options are really great, really worth exploring. The rates and terms are really great. And up until, like I said, recently, we really weren't able to offer these to restaurant owners. So definitely an option that you want to explore. And the fourth option is a merchant cash advance or a business cash advance. They're essentially the same thing. Now, a lot of people hear merchant cash advance and go, no, I don't want that. I understand what you're saying. And back in the day, years ago, merchant cash advances were very expensive and they were very short term. They've actually changed a lot and they've become really great solutions, especially for people in the restaurant business and retail business. So one is the rates have come down tremendously on merchant cash advances and the terms have gone out much longer, which means the percentage that they'll collect back from your credit card sales is much less. A merchant cash advance is great, one, because it's completely unsecured, there's no personal guarantees. Two is basically you get a set amount of money, you repay a set amount of money, and then the lender will take a percentage of your credit card sales until the advance is repaid back. What's really great about this option is it ebbs and flows or adjusts with the cash flow of your business. A lot of restaurants are seasonal, or sometimes there's slow periods or off weeks or whatever it may be. If your business does great, you pay back more, but that's a good thing, business is good. If business is slow, you pay back less because they're only collecting a set percentage of your sales, not a set payment on a weekly basis. So I gave you a lot of information. I hope your head's not spinning. I don't know if you know this, but my company is National Business Capital and Services, and we've built a platform that has over 75 lenders on it now. So what's great is my team here at National, through technology and really great people, we understand all the lender guidelines and get you matched to the right 1, 2, or 3 lenders very quickly, bring those options back to you, then you get to choose the best one for your business. So what's more important about all the technology and the speed, because a lot of different companies offer that today, we have some really great talented people that understand all the guidelines, but more importantly, understand business, and specifically restaurants and a number of other industries. You can apply and then you can speak with someone here. They'll speak with you, they'll understand your business, understand your need, and then talk about some of the different lending products that may make sense for you and your business. In the description below, I'm going to drop a link. You can get started, you can apply, you can connect with one of my team members at National. They can go through whatever it is that you're looking to get accomplished and help you get the financing that you need to grow. Thanks for tuning in to Grow by Joe. I wish you nothing but success. We'll talk soon. Take care.